1946 Dodge. We'll do a little walk around. Give you an idea how clean this truck really is. For 1946, it is amazingly clean. I'm going to try to get pictures the best I can, or a video. As you can see, it has new old stock taillights. Underneath of this truck is absolutely amazing. Somebody did a frame off. He just didn't proceed and finish the top. It's actually a driver as she sits. It's all original. It's got the 218 flathead 6. We're gonna run right around here one more time. I'm gonna just jump in here and see if she starts up. Never know if she's gonna start. She is 46 years old. Amazingly enough, she started. Look at that. Everything works. All the gauges do work. Runs ever so smooth. This is what she looks like purring like she does. Again, you're looking at a 1946 Dodge WC. I hope this video can do some justice.